skill integration challenge of chapter 6, the chapter 6 PKA or packet activity. So as you can see, these are the topology that has been set. Then we are going to configure it, and with this, and as you can see, we need to examine the table first in order to configure this. So these are the addressing table, then these are the IP address that we need to, then objectives, finish the network documentation, perform basic device configuration on a router and switch, verify connectivity, and troubleshoot any issues. So scenario, your network manager is impressed with your performance in your job as a LAN technician. She would like you to now demonstrate your ability to configure a router connecting two LANs. Your task includes configuring basic settings on a router and a switch using the Cisco IOS. You will then verify your configuration as well as configuration on existing device by testing the end-to-end connectivity. After completing this activity, you can choose to click reset activity button to generate a new set of requirements. So as you can see, these are all the requirements that provide the missing information in the addressing table, answer the router RTA, and the second switch ASW-2. You will not be able to access ASW/1. Why? Oh. Then use Cisco as a user exec password for all lines, and use class as a privilege exec password. Encrypt all plain text password, configure an appropriate banner, then configure addressing for all these devices according to the addressing table, document interface with description including ASW2 VLAN 1 interface, then save your configuration, verify connectivity between all devices. All devices should be able to ping any other device, troubleshoot and document any issues, implement the solution necessary to enable the full end-to-end connectivity. Then let's see if the IP address is all set. Yes, as you can see, all the IP address is all set. Then in this one, let's see if it is correct. 60. Then this one, it has IP again, and not that sorry for that. Then as you can see, all the IP and the subnet mask has been already configured and set. Then first we will configure the switch, the router. Then we will type enable and configure terminal. Then as these are the requirements, and the ASV you will not able. Use Cisco for all lines. So first of all, we need to enable secret class. I think it's class. Then we will need to secure all lines. So line console, let's first secure the line console 0. Then the password would be Cisco, then login and exit. Then after that, the line VTY 0 to 15. I think it's the line VTY 0 to 15. Then password Cisco, then login, exit. Then after that is the line aux 0, password Cisco, then login, exit. Then after that, encrypt all plain text password, so service password encryption in order to encrypt all the password. Then banner mode, authorized personnel only. Then after that, we should connect the router to the switch, so we will go to the interface VLAN 1, or no, not, it's interface gigabyte, I think, interface gigabit ethernet 00. Then after that, IP address 172.14.5.1. Then sorry for that, it's incomplete. 172.14.5.1. then the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. then the no shutdown command. Then after that is the description. What is this description? RTA to ASW1. Then after that description is we will exit and go to the interface gigabit ethernet 0/1. then IP address, we will input the IP address 10.1 and the subnet mask 255.255, just like the other one. Then the no shutdown command, then description. After the description it would be RTA to ASW2, then exit. Then after that, we've already configured the router, so let's proceed to the ASW. Then let's see if we've forgot something. Let's see, get the description, and the description for this, the banner. We need to save we need to save right. After that, we've already saved the configurations. Let's go to the switch 2. Then let's see again after that, then enable, name the router RTA. I think we need to name the router RTA. I forgot that. Enable, my bad, configure terminal, then hostname RTA, and right. Then after that, it's already fine. Then ASW, enable, then configure terminal. Then after that, configure terminal hostname. The hostname should be ASW/2. Then enable secret class. So what's that? And after that, we will need to have the password for all the lines. So line console 0 again, 0, then password Cisco, then login. After that, exit. We will go to line VTY 0 to 15, then password would be Cisco, login, then exit. Then after that, we would need to encrypt all the password, service password encryption, then after that the mother mod, authorized personnel only. Then after that we need to check if there is the IP address of the switch. Then after the switch, that would be in interface VLAN 1. Then after the VLAN 1, we need to type the appropriate address of ESW2 172.14.10.35, the subnet mask of 255.255.255.0, and the no shutdown command. Then description would be ASW2. Then after that we need to exit, then end and write. After that we need to place all the default gateway for them. So the default gateway for this one is the switch number 2, this one. So the default gateway is this, then do this one. Then for the default gateway of this one is this one. Oh, I think I made a mistake. It's not the default gateway. I think the default gateway is this one. Sorry for that. .35. Then after that, the default gateway of this one would be this one, not the 35. I've mistaken something, and that's the one that then we will again the default gateway IP default gateway, and the gateway is this one. I think for is 2. Then after that we are already complete.